Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to score 50,000 in Bubble Cash. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Scoring 50,000 points in Bubble Cash is challenging but possible with the right strategy. So the first thing that you need to do is focus on larger combos and chain reactions in for the highest bubbles, and then trigger chain reactions where one pop leads to another. Second is to play fast and bonus points. The game rewards speed multipliers. The faster you clear bubbles, the higher you score. Don't hesitate too long between searches. Third is to use bank search and trick search. Bouncing search off the walls will help reach tricky bubbles. Perfect bank search often lead to bigger cascades and more points. Fourth is to prioritize special bubbles and power-ups. Use fireballs and bomb bubbles strategically to clear large sections at once, and then save power-ups for critical moments when they can drop multiple bubbles. Number 5 is to avoid wasting search. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.